Hello and welcome. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever noticed how some people in network marketing seem to grow their teams effortlessly, while others are constantly struggling just to keep momentum? Most of the time, it's not about working harder, it's about having the right kind of system behind you, because the biggest challenge in this industry isn't motivation, it's duplication. If every person in your team has to figure everything out from scratch, the whole thing becomes slow, complicated, and difficult to scale. But when you have a simple system that anyone can plug into, everything changes. Instead of explaining the same things over and over again, you can guide people into a structure that already does the heavy lifting. That means leads can be generated automatically, follow-ups can happen in the background, and your team can start duplicating the same process without needing advanced skills. This is where AI and automation start to make a real difference. When technology handles the repetitive tasks, you can focus on what actually matters, helping people succeed. That's exactly the idea behind the system, connected to this training. It's designed to give you a simple, rebrandable setup that helps generate leads, share training, and duplicate across your team. So if you'd like to plug into the full system and start using it for yourself, just click the button below this video, activate your account, and follow the quick setup steps. Once everything is connected, you'll have a system working for you 24 hours a day in the background. And the best part is, you can share it with others and let the same process duplicate through your team. Go ahead and click the button below to get started.